the money game you were never taught. Imagine waking up one morning, free from financial stress, no worries about bills, no fear of the next paycheck, no anxiety about the future. Instead, you have complete control over your finances, a steady stream of passive income flowing in, and the confidence that you'll never run out of money. This isn't a dream. It's a reality that the wealthy have mastered, and one that you can master too, if you learn the rules of the game. But here's the shocking truth. The system was never designed to teach you these rules. Schools don't teach financial freedom. Most people rely on banks and financial advisors who profit from their ignorance. The average person is stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, believing that working harder is the only way out. Meanwhile, the ultra-wealthy, the 1% who control the financial world, play by an entirely different set of rules. They don't chase money. They make money work for them. They don't panic during market crashes. They profit from them. They don't rely on guesswork. They use proven, time-tested strategies. So the question is, why aren't these secrets available to everyone? That's exactly why Tony Robbins wrote Money, Master the Game, to expose the hidden truths, demystify the world of wealth, and hand you the exact blueprint used by billionaires to achieve financial freedom. In this book, Robbins sat down with 50 of the world's most brilliant investors, including Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors in history; Ray Dalio, founder of the world's largest hedge fund; Paul Tudor Jones, billionaire trader and risk management expert; David Swensen, investment mastermind behind Yale's multi-billion-dollar endowment. From these financial titans, Robbins distilled their strategies into 7 simple steps, a roadmap that can take anyone, regardless of income, from financial insecurity to absolute freedom. What you'll learn in this summary: how to break free from financial dependence and take control of your money, the hidden fees and financial traps that steal your wealth, how to invest like the world's top billionaires without needing millions, how to create passive income streams that last a lifetime, the psychological mindset shifts that separate the rich from the poor. This is not just a book summary, it's a financial awakening. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you're sick of wondering whether you'll have enough to retire, if you want to build lasting wealth and true financial freedom, this is your moment. It's time to stop working for money and start making money work for you. Money Master the Game is a step-by-step guide to financial freedom designed for everyday people who want to take control of their money, build wealth, and secure their future without falling victim to Wall Street's traps. Robbins spent 4 years interviewing 50+ of the world's top financial experts, including Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, Paul Tudor Jones, and David Swensen, to uncover proven wealth-building strategies that billionaires use but the average person doesn't know about. This book is about breaking free from financial insecurity by learning how money really works, avoiding the hidden fees and scams that eat away at your wealth, investing like the ultra-wealthy without needing millions to start, building lifelong passive income streams so you never run out of money, achieving financial freedom where you work because you want to, not because you have to. Who is this book for? Beginners who want a clear roadmap to financial security, employees and entrepreneurs who want to grow their money smarter, investors and retirees looking to protect and multiply their wealth. The 7 Steps to Financial Freedom. Book Step 1. Become the insider. Understand the game of money. The financial industry is built to benefit itself, not you. Most people rely on banks and financial advisors who charge hidden fees that drain their wealth. Robbins teaches you how to become your own financial expert and avoid common money traps. Key takeaways: stop depending on banks and advisors. Learn to manage your own money. Avoid high-fee mutual funds. Use low-cost index funds instead. Understand basic investing principles so you never get scammed. Action tip: if a financial advisor can't explain all their fees in simple terms, walk away. Step 2. Know the real costs, hidden fees, and financial scams to avoid. 1% in hidden fees can cost you millions over a lifetime. Many investment products look safe, but are filled with high fees and commissions that secretly erode your wealth over time. Key takeaways. Never invest in mutual funds with high expense ratios. Use low-cost index funds like Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF. Avoid excessive trading fees and commissions. Rule of thumb, if your investment has fees higher than 1%, find a better option. Step 3. Make the game winnable. Define your financial goals clearly. Most people never hit financial freedom because they don't define what it means. Key takeaways. Calculate your financial freedom number, how much you need to retire. Break it into smaller goals: security, comfort, independence, freedom. Automate savings and investments. Set it and forget it. Action step. Use Robbins' Save 3% More rule. Increase your savings rate by 3% per year and invest it. Step 4. The Ultimate Investor's Playbook. How to invest like the wealthy. The richest people don't gamble on stocks. They invest strategically. Key takeaways. Use asset allocation. Spread investments across stocks, bonds, and real estate. Invest in low-cost index funds. They outperform 96% of active traders. Follow Ray Dalio's all-weather portfolio. Stable returns in any economy. Pro tip: avoid day trading. The best strategy is long-term investing. Step 5. Create a lifetime income plan. How to never run out of money. Savings alone won't make you financially free. You need passive income streams. Key takeaways. Use the security, risk, and growth bucket strategy. Invest in income-generating assets, dividends, rental properties, annuities. Use annuities to create guaranteed lifetime income. Pro tip: focus on cash flow, not just net worth. Wealthy people own assets that pay them forever. Step 6. Invest like the 1%. Advanced strategies from billionaires. The ultra-rich don't invest like the average person. Learn their secrets. Key takeaways. Follow Ray Dalio's all-weather portfolio. It works in any market. Use Warren Buffett's index fund strategy, low cost, high long-term returns. Apply Paul Tudor Jones' risk management strategies. Protect your downside. Pro tip: diversify investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative assets. Step 7. Stay on course. Master the psychology of wealth building. Even the best strategies fail if you lack financial discipline. Key takeaways. Control emotions. Don't panic when markets drop. Automate investments. Set it and forget it. Keep learning and adjusting. Financial freedom is a lifelong game. Pro tip: success is 80% mindset, 20% strategy. Stay focused and wealth will follow. Key investment principles from billionaires. Ray Dalio's all-weather portfolio strategy. 40% bonds, 30% stocks, 15% gold, 7.5% commodities, 7.5% REITs. Stable returns in any economy. Warren Buffett's low-cost index fund advice. Invest in S&P 500 index funds, low fees, high returns. Paul Tudor Jones' risk management strategy. Always protect your downside, never risk too much in one trade. David Swenson's diversification strategy. Spread investments across multiple asset classes. Step-by-step guide to financial freedom. 1. Set your financial freedom number. Know your retirement goal. 2. Eliminate high-fee investments. Switch to low-cost funds. Follow the security, risk, and growth bucket strategy. 4. Invest in index funds, bonds, and income streams. 5. Create passive income streams. Dividends, rental properties, annuities. 6. Stay disciplined and automate your finances. Tony Robbins' Golden Rules for Money Mastery. Rule number 1, pay yourself first, automate savings. Rule number 2, never lose money, protect your capital. Rule 3, keep fees low, every percent matters. Rule number 4, compounding interest is your best friend. Rule number 5, diversify wisely. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Final cheat sheet, top 10 takeaways from Money Master the Game. 1. The financial system is designed to benefit banks, not you. 2. Hidden fees can cost you millions over a lifetime. 3. Define your financial freedom number. Know your goal. 4. Invest in low-cost index funds. Most active traders lose. 5. Diversify your investments. Protect yourself from downturns. 6. Passive income matters more than net worth. 7. Automate your finances. Set it and forget it. 8. Wealth is built long-term, not overnight. Avoid market panic. Stay the course. Your mindset determines your financial future. Follow these principles, and you will master the game of money.